Okay, we're talking about squaring two-digit numbers ending in 5. Let's have a look. Alrighty, this is one of those that's really quite easy. You'll find out why it works when you get into algebra. But it's so easy, it's too much fun not to tell you this little trick here. Okay? Listen, let's say we're multiplying 55 times 55. Notice, hint number 1 says answers begin with the first digit, by the way, which is 5, times the first digit plus 1, which is 6. So hint number 1 is 5 times 6 is 30. And that's what your answer begins with. Now, what's even greater is the fact that the second digit, okay, or the end digits always end in 25. So guess what? Hint number 2. So 55 times 55 is 30, 25. Isn't that cool? This is a great pattern, and again, it will be important later on for you to figure out why does this work. And basically, it has to do with the properties of squaring two numbers that end in 5. All right. Now let's have a few more here. Let's check it out. Let's see if you can get it. Okay. All right. Can you think about hint number 1? Okay. Here it is. 7 times 8 is 56, or 7 times 7 plus 1, which is 8, is 56. Notice the first two digits of your answer, okay, begins with a 56. And what do you think the second hint is? Boom. It's 25. There it is. So 75 times 75 is 5,625. I love it. Okay, let's do a few more and see if couple with the hints, and then we'll see if you can get it without the hints. Are you ready? Here's a new one. We have 85 times 85. Well, hint number 1 says, what are those first? The answer begins with 8 times 8 plus 1. Well, 8 times 9 is 72. And of course, hint number 2 is it always ends in 25. So the correct answer, 85 times 85, is 7,225. Let's try a few of these without giving you the hints and see if you can get the answer. Here's new. Okay. And let's try this. Do you see why? Remember, hint number 1 is 7 times 8, which is 56. And hint number 2 is we end in 25. You'll blow your science teacher's mind if they don't know this, or your math teacher's mind. It's really fun because you can do this faster than you can with a calculator. Isn't that cool? Let's do a few more just for fun. $45 times 45 is 2,025. 55 times 55 is 3,025. And again, to remind you, what we have as hint number 1 is 5 times 6. And hint number 2 is it always ends in 25. Couple more. $225. 1225, or 1,225. Let's take a look at a long list of these, and I'll let you stare at them for a few minutes, or not a minute. I mean, not a few minutes, but you can stop it to take a look at it. The square pattern. Notice It always ends in 25. That's nice. And if, for instance, you want to take a look at 95 times 95, that's really 9 times 9 plus 1, which is 10. 9 times 10 is 9025. You can stop this and have a look. Other than that, have a good day.